Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today we're at Great American RV right here in Tupelo, Mississippi. We got something fairly new from Grand Design. It is a 2026 Grand Design Imagine, model number 2700 BS. So let's get started. The length on this Grand Design is 31 feet 8 inches. The dry weight is 7,138 with a hitch weight of 789 with a GVWR of 10,195. Well, all right.
Well, let's just go ahead and get started. Right up here at the front, you are going to have an electric tongue jack. Make it nice and easy to get it off the truck. Your propane will go behind this cover. And of course your batteries will mount right back there. Now,
cool.
Looking at your storage.
I want you to look at that. They come with your little...
Yeah, for your... Yeah, because this is going to have manual jacks.
Oh, wow. Because most of the time you had to buy that separate.
So, they give you the little adapter to use
cool.
your drill.
I'm sorry. Squirrel.
Yeah, doesn't take a whole lot. All right, so yeah, all your battery disconnect, solar disconnect, you got it.
City water.
Yeah, all right in there. So, nice. Your sewer caddy is going to be right below that.
Huh.
All right, your front slide here, you're calling this a slim rack.
Yeah, what did you call it earlier?
I was going to call it Slim Shady.
Slim Shady.
Okay. Yeah. All right, moving right along. You do have some storage right here. This is actually going to be under your bed. But now your other slide is a rack and pinion.
Yeah.
So.
But your gray tank pool is way under there.
Under there.
And your fresh water is over there.
Yeah, the white one.
But they do give you a little sewer caddy under there. That's pretty cool.
Yes,
but your other one is under there too. That's your black tank pool.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So you have got the red hubs, and that indicates.
Yeah. That.
Yeah. ABS brakes.
ABC.
More rides.
Easy as 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Okay. All right. Anyway, let's go
Squirrel.
down here and look at the back.
Gray tank. So I guess your other pool is under there too.
Yeah. Not really sure why they put the pools under the slides. But
you know,
anyway,
that's
where they are. Okay.
Okay. Give us your comment on that.
Yeah. All right. Here at the back, you have
tankless water heater. Yes, I went around.
I see that. You are going to have a receiver hitch down here for an accessory rack. You've got a ladder to access your roof, and it's going to be prepped for a backup camera. Now over here on your campsite, you have got a massive 22-foot awning. That is huge awning, and it's going to have a support in the middle to support those 22 feet of awning. Your quick connect is going to be right down there, and your spare is underneath. So let's take a look at this other side of the pass-through storage real quick. You got lights for inside, and then your cap lights are in here, and it's going to be prepped for your TPMS right there. Wow.
Huh. I've got one more thing to point out.
Okay.
Black tank flush
Is on this side.
is on this side.
Huh.
Because you know when you pull up at a
Yeah, your dump station.
dump station that if you don't have,
Or full hookups.
yeah, when you pull up, that means you got to run your water hose
underneath. All right, so what do you guys think about that? Just let us know.
All right, let's get in here and take a look.
Let's go in and take a
And
look.
now Grand Design also has a 1 year, 3-year structure and a 5-year frame warranty now.
just kind of looking here at this rear kitchen.
Oh, wow.
Guys, this is a lot of space in here.
Oh, wow. This is...
It's just really, really nice. So over here, you have your storage and your microwave. And I love that they give you these pull-out storage and that is a great big drawer there for all your pots and pans. 3-burner cooktop with the oven. And this is going to give you solid surface in here.
Yeah, that is really nice.
Wow, really nice.
Oh my gosh.
But then look at these drawers, guys.
Oh, wow.
That is just amazing. You've got a nice big mirror, almost said mirror, nice big window back here. You do have a towel holder, it's already in place.
And we have the, it has the integrated...
Yes, so you have the day and night shade.
And the night, yes.
Yes, in the frame. I love that, so they don't flop around.
I like that. Wow, I like these right here. And, hey, look at there.
And actually, they give you a little cutout space for your garbage so it doesn't turn over.
That is neat as a bug.
It just is. And then you've got this spot here for your sponges and scrubbies. Got a nice big single basin sink with a high-rise faucet and a soap dispenser in here. And I'm just looking for heating is going to be in the cabinetry. Nice.
That is just so cool.
Yeah, I love these shades. That is probably my favorite thing. You're going to have a 40-inch TV. This is on a televator.
Still, solid surface.
And it is solid surface around it. And right up here is going to be your AC unit. And let me turn around and show you this 12-volt compressor fridge.
Oh, yeah.
And I don't know if that's... Yeah.
There you go.
Super, super nice. And then you have your theater seating here with another big window and again those great shades. Pull down with a cup holder, charger, and you've even got a little space for right back here where you can put your phone where it's charging because there's USB and C charging right there. And I know you guys are probably thinking, well, okay, we got all this space, but where are we going to eat? So,
at McDonald's.
there is a solution for that.
I like that.
And it's right there.
There you go.
Comes
Dining
out
for two.
just like that. So, yeah. So it's actually great. You can use it for your dining area if you need some extra prep space when you're getting ready. There is another USB and C charging underneath it. So if you want to sit there and work and need to charge your laptop, you can do it.
I like this.
I like this a lot.
And then to put it down, you've got two little buttons kind of right here. Hit them, and then it goes right back down.
And then just put it down.
There you go. Out of the way.
So, I mean, look how much floor space this gives you. It's just really nice. If I didn't point it out, there is your AC unit. And then you've got this sliding door here.
And then you've got like a JBL sound system. There's all your controls and your Coleman Mach air conditioner.
Yes.
We're 71 degrees in here.
It feels better in here than it does out there. Trust us.
I like the Frozer at Triple H, didn't I?
Yeah, last weekend it was like 25 degrees and the wind was blowing. It was not good. All right. So this is going to have a pass-through bathroom.
Yeah.
Again, that's one of those love-hate things. Either you love them or you hate them. We love ours. Jeremy's 6 feet tall. There is a skylight, so you have some great headroom up there. And what did we say this was?
30 by 36.
30 by 36, yeah.
Yeah.
Porcelain foot flush toilet right there. Great angle, great leg room in here. So you are going to have a medicine cabinet there in the corner, right above your sink. Actually decent area, and it is. Yeah, solid surface in here too. Not a whole lot of space under the sink, but you could stash some toilet tissue in there. This is going to be your linen closet. It is not very deep.
Look at there.
But we are going to go ahead and give this one the plunger just because it does actually give you some extra storage. So you might have to get creative with how you fold your towels, but you got a space to put them. Now your fuses are going to be down here. I'm not sure how I feel about them being in the bathroom, but that's where they put them.
Well, actually, that's not bad, because when your slide comes in, you can still get
Yeah,
to them
you can
if
get
you
to them.
need to.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
All right.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so now coming into the main bedroom. You got all these mirrors back there so you can
Wow.
see that I look like I'm expecting a snowstorm, apparently.
Well, never mind.
I sort of am.
Yeah.
This is going to give you a king-size bed in here. You've got windows on both sides with the roller blackout shades. And then you've got this really neat headboard that the top flips up just like that. So if you want to put your phones up there because you have USB and C charging up there.
No.
Yeah, so it gives you this really kind of convertible headboard, and then you just drop it like that. It will stay open. He didn't have it latched. Yeah, like that. So,
Yeah,
super.
it's nice.
Got a plug-in over here on this side, and there is actually one on that side also.
And of course, Grand Design, all your vents are in your walls.
In
or
the walls on
cabinetries.
this one. Should be some storage under here, and so there's your chairs for when you want to pull your table out, and then you have this really neat movable storage like that. You are going to have a second AC in this unit. And down here at the foot of the bed, you have this really great 6-drawer dresser. And then you have got this massive window, and if we're going to open it now. We may blind you because it's very bright today, but wow, that is just a huge, huge window.
Golly.
Okay, now your TV hookups are up there. Now it says the backer is there. Now somebody's going to have to explain to me how you mount it on the ceiling. I guess you can. I don't know.
Can you get a mount that your TV just flops down and then goes back up?
Hey, we want somebody tell us what you guys think, because the TV backer sticker is actually on the ceiling. But
That's okay.
yeah, we haven't seen that before. But while we're opening the closet, I just do want to show you how much space you have over here, and also over here on this side, because it's very rare to see that kind of space around the bed in a travel trailer. But guys, look at your wardrobe area. Wow. So basically you have 3 sections. Now it is prepped. Your washer will go over here on this side, and there is a marking on this side for your dryer where you would put your vent. Wow. I mean, or you can just use the whole thing as a giant wardrobe area. That's just amazing.
That is nice now.
Yeah, it really, really is. And yes, there is a slight curve to the ceiling, so you have really good head height in here. So. All right. So, what do you think about the big front closet, the really cool headboard, and then this neat multi-purpose table area?
I really wish we could show the slide coming in. I'm going to say the end of that slide is going to be right here.
Yes, it is actually a really pretty
It's a
deep slide.
So it's going to take up all this door.
Yes, but you're still going to be able to access your bathroom.
Yeah, that's going to be good for a travel stop.
Yes.
All right, everybody, if you like this Grand Design Imagine, the dealership's information is down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.